In this video, I'll guide you through how to change settings in Claude AI. We'll take a simple single-click action and turn it into something that feels clear and confident, so you always know where to go when you want to adjust your experience. First, make sure you're signed in and looking at the main Claude interface. This is usually the screen where you see your recent conversations or a space to start a new chat. Take a moment to look around the edges of the screen because the control we're interested in is found in the corner. What you're looking for is your profile area. Depending on your device and screen size, this will usually appear either in the bottom left corner or in the top right corner of the interface. It might show your name, your initials inside a circle, or a generic profile icon. If you don't immediately see your full name, that's okay. Just look for a small icon that suggests a user or account. Once you've found that profile area, move your cursor over it and click. This action opens a small menu related to your account. The exact appearance can vary slightly as the interface is updated, but you should see a short list of options related to your profile and account. In that menu, look for the option labeled Settings. It's usually written clearly as Settings and is often placed near the middle or bottom of the menu. When you see it, go ahead and click it. This single step is what takes you from the general interface into the dedicated settings area for Claude AI. After you click Settings, you'll be taken to a new page or panel that contains all of the configurable options available to you. While the original instruction only covered how to get here, it's helpful to understand what this area represents. The Settings page is your control center. It's where you can review and adjust how Claude behaves for you, how your account is managed, and in some cases, how your information is handled. When you arrive on this page, take a brief moment to scan the different sections or tabs. Even if you're not changing anything right now, getting familiar with the layout will make it easier to come back later when you do want to tweak something. Typically, related controls are grouped together, so you might see categories like general preferences or account-related options. A useful tip is to avoid rushing when you explore. If you're unsure what a particular setting does, look for small descriptions next to the option. These short explanations are there to help you understand the impact of any change you make. If something isn't clear, it's perfectly fine to leave it at its default value until you've done a bit more research. Remember, the core action for changing settings in Claude AI is always the same. Locate your name or profile icon in the bottom left or top right corner, click it, and then choose Settings from the menu. Once you're in that settings area, you're in the right place to customize your experience whenever you need to.